Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to be talking about some of the things that I buy from Amazon. I did a video previously over the summer and I thought I would just do it again considering I've kind of been buying a lot more from Amazon. I've kept my Amazon Prime membership. I said I was going to get rid of it once the wedding has came and gone, and then I was like, no, wait till Christmas, and I still have it. So you know why also? Because I watched The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. If you haven't seen that and you have Amazon Prime, go watch it. It is such a good show. Anyways, so I'm gonna just run through some of the things that I recently have bought from Amazon and what I buy from Amazon, because I'm curious to see what you guys buy from Amazon too. So let's get started. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get to it. So the first thing is, if you guys don't know already, which I'm sure you do, is that I love to cook. I love trying new recipes. I just love to cook. So one of the things that I do is I buy a lot of cookbooks, and I do like to go to the store to buy cookbooks just so I can look at them, flip through them, but usually they're cheaper on Amazon. So I just wanted to mention two that I really have been loving. The first one is this one right here. This is Dining In by Allison, Aroma. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love this book. If you're kind of into the cooking space, and you've seen I don't know if you follow a lot of food Instagrams, but she's the one whose recipe is those famous chocolate chip shortbread cookies that you see everywhere. Let's see if I can find it. I think I used too much flour, but these are them right there. And then now Lent is here, so I can't eat because I gave up sugar. So anyways, but these are them, and this is just a really great book. It's a little bit of, hey! It's a little bit of different kind of stuff, but it's just really cool, and it's just a really beautiful book. So if you love cookbooks, I would definitely recommend this one. And then also something that I thought that I would never use, but I thought I needed it in my cookbook collection, is the Julia Child Mastering the Art of French Cooking. And I just didn't think that I would use this, but I was like, well, I want it because, you know, it's such a staple. Everything I have made from here has been so delicious, it's crazy. It's not healthy by any means, either is this book. This book isn't the healthiest either. This one's not bad though. Surprisingly, things in here aren't that fattening, but this one is not for people on a diet because it's French cooking, so it's a lot of butter, heavy cream, all of that. But oh my gosh, I made this chicken recipe with these potato pancake-like things. It was so good. And then I made her cream of mushroom soup. Oh my god, it was so good. I'm really excited to do her onion soup. I think that it'll be really good. So if you guys want me to, I can do a whole video on my favorite cookbooks and which ones I love, because I have a huge collection, so I could definitely do that. Moving on, I don't know if you guys have seen the trend, but it's all over YouTube, and it's kind of like bullet journaling. I'm kind of late to the party. I feel like bullet journaling has been around for a really long time, but I got my bullet journal from Amazon, and I bought the Scribbles journal, Scribbles That Matter, I don't know, in this teal color. And if you don't know what bullet journaling is, look it up. You'll see so many videos. This is my spread here. I'm not as good as some of the people out there. Oh my gosh, people out there are crazy good. But this is mine, and I kind of focus on the days, and then I am meal tracking because I'm trying to lose weight. So just trying to stay accountable for everything and stuff like that. And I already did my March theme, so it's going to be all of this. And I do video ideas and my habit tracker and my month. I haven't done my March yet, but I just really like to do. And then also I get all the pens and stuff that I use from Amazon. So I don't have them, I left them at work, but they're the Tombow watercolor markers. I can put pictures here, but I get them all from Amazon. Same with the micro pens. I think they're called micro tip pens. Micron, M-I-C, I don't know, but I use those to do the inside of here and stuff like that. So if you guys are into that, if you like drawing and things like that, I definitely would suggest bullet journaling. It's just a really nice creative outlet. I just really like to do it. So that is that. Speaking of work, if you guys travel to work and you take your coffee to go, I take my coffee to go, and my issue was even my Starbucks cups, the ceramic cups, nothing has kept my coffee. Sorry, my dog is, Rosie's just all over the place. If you take your coffee to work and you feel like your coffee isn't keeping your things hot, I would definitely suggest this guy right here. This is the Hydro Flask. This is the smaller one. I also picked up the smaller one because I don't drink that much coffee in the morning, and what I've come to find is that when I did, I filled my cup up like, you know, a typical, I think 16 ounces. I don't know how big this one is, 12. 16 ounces, 18 ounces, and there'd always be stuff left, so I never would drink it all. So this little baby lasts me all the way to work and probably till about noon, and it's still hot. And so I'm not a big chugger of coffee. I kind of take my time, and that was the worst part, was like by the time I got to work, or by the time 9 o'clock came around, my coffee was cold. So I definitely suggest this. It keeps it so hot. Nice, moving on. Speaking of dogs, I got Rosie's collar from Amazon, and I love it so much. It is from Blueberry Pet, and obviously it'll be linked down below, but they have like the cutest designs, and I think they're so cute. Hers is getting kind of worn, but I mean, it's a dog collar, obviously it's gonna get worn, but hers has roses and it's pink and blue, and I just think it's so cute. They have leashes, I think they have harnesses, I'm not entirely sure, but I just thought this was so cute, and that's from it says Blueberry Pet on it, but it's fine. I just thought it was so cute. I have one beauty product that I wanted to mention. This is the Co Dry Shampoo Paste. I really like this for texturizing my hair. It's kind of a very dry paste. If you've tried paste in the past, like from Garnier or a drugstore brand, I really haven't tried high-end paste. I think this is kind of considered high-end, but it always leaves my hair looking greasy. And the thing I like about this is that it's a dry shampoo paste, so it's drying, so it won't leave your hair greasy. So I would definitely check this out. It leaves really good texture and body. I like to pick it up on my fingers and kind of rub them and then kind of twist it in my hair. I know my hair is up right now. It's not a good example, but and like twist it in my hair. I don't know. Try it out. Then finally, I wanted to mention these storage cubes. So I picked these up from Amazon. These are just basic cloth storage cubes, but they have helped organize my closets so much. I think I'm gonna pick up some more. We recently moved, obviously, into this new home, so we just have like a lot of stuff and not a lot of organization. And something I like about this is, like, in my room that I have like all my makeup and stuff, I just really like this to just throw like just random stuff kind of in categories. This is really random stuff. This is like a mini steamer and a airplane pillow, but anyways, but it's just nice because it's like I don't really have a spot for that. Like, where do you keep your airplane pillows? Where do you keep, I guess your steamer you could keep down by your laundry, but anyways, it doesn't matter. But it's just throw it in here, and then as opposed to it just sitting out, it's just organized in these cubes, and it's just more organized for your closet. That was it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I continue to make more as I find new things. If you guys have any products that you love from Amazon, just leave them down below. I would love to know. And yes, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.